we are celebrating Nation Unity Day like all other educational institutions of India. Principal, faculty members and students of government HSS Bohri, wishing all you a happy Nation Unity Day.
Same to you.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Thank you so much. Now, we are celebrating this day in the honor of our great Shri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Nation Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on October 31st every year since 2014. Popularly known as the Iron Man of India, Sardar Patel is known to have played a crucial role in the unification, integration of India. On this day in 2018, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi unveiled a 182-meter tall statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Statue of Unity is situated on the bank of Narmada River in the Kewadia colony, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam near the city of Vadodara. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel fought against the British Empire and became the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. We all know this. Now, before we start, we have to take pledge and then sir will say some words. So I
Good morning.
now I request the Mega of class 12 to throw light on today's this Nation Unity Day. Mega, please.
Good morning, respected principal. Today, as we all know, most of October, and this day with great pomp and celebrate the birth anniversary.
Mega, you are not audible.
Okay,
Not audible.
we'll just.
Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning to the respected principal sir and all the teachers. Today, as we all know, is 31st of October and we celebrate this
Good morning,
day with
Megha.
great
You can
pomp and
continue.
show to celebrate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This day is also known as National Unity Day and Rashtriya Ekta Divas. This day is celebrated every year on 31st of October to celebrate the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and also the Home Minister of India when India gained his independence. When India gained independence, there were about 565 princely states that also gained independence but were not included in the Union of India. It was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel who did a commendable job of uniting all these kingdoms in the Union of India, either by his convincing abilities or by military powers. National Unity Day is a day to remember the man behind politically united map of India and to commemorate his birthday. This day is to honor him, and this day is the least we can do to honor such a great personality of India. Thanks and have a nice day.
Thank you, Mega. God bless you.
Good morning to the respected principal.
Now we have to take pledge.
Good morning.
प्रिंसिपल सर, क्या हम एक साथ ले सकते हैं? अब ये प्लेज ले लेंगे सर? Let us take pledge now. Rashtriya Ekta Divas pledge. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself.
I solemnly pledge that
I dedicate myself to
I dedicate myself to
integrity and
preserve the unity
purity of the nation.
and security of the nation,
And I also
and also serve
strive hard to spread this message
to spread this message
among my
among my
fellow
fellow
countrymen.
countrymen.
I take this pledge in the spirit
I
of
take this pledge in the
unification of my
spirit of
country,
spirit of
made possible
unification
by
of my
the
country,
unification of my country,
Sardar Vallabhbhai
which was
Patel.
made
I also
possible
vehemently
possible by
resolved
by
to
the
make
vision
it
and
more and
vision and
actions of
actions
Sardar
of
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Bhai Patel.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
I
I
also
also solemnly
solemnly
resolve to make my
resolve to make my own
own contribution
My own contribution
to
ensure
to
ensure
ensure
internal security of my country.
of my
security
country.
of my country.
Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thanks for connecting, sir.
Thank you so much. Now I request my principal, sir, respected principal, sir, to say some lines, say some words, please. Sir, Tiku, sir.
There is something wrong in
Yes.
this.
Sir, audio is not connected, sir. Sir, your audio is not connected. So please unmute yourself, sir.
Your voice is not audible.
सर लगता है वहाँ के इंटरनेट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है सर के.
हाँ सर के इंटरनेट में ही प्रॉब्लम लग रहा है.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम है उनके इंटरनेट में.
सर सुरेश सर है या? सर प्रिंसिपल सर आप यू आर नाउ ऑनलाइन.
हाँ जी.
सर सर प्रिंसिपल सर आपका ऑडियो जो है सर वो म्यूट है सर. सर दैट इज नॉट कनेक्टेड सर. उस पर सर वी आर नॉट.
बॉटम लेफ्ट पर है इसका.
सर उसको क्लिक कर लो सर बॉटम लेफ्ट पर, वहां पर माइक आएगी उस पर. सर यू आर कनेक्टेड बट
वो तो सुनो. हाँ श्योर.
इज इट ओके नाउ?
यस यस यस. गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
sir.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. All staff members and the students who have participated in this pledge today. So Sanjay ji.
जी सर.
तो start करें?
जी सर जी सर जी सर. We are waiting sir.
तो ये हम ऐसा करते हैं कि पहले हिंदी में फिर इंग्लिश में. ठीक है?
प्लेज सर प्लेज. जी सर जैसे आप बोलो.
ये जो प्लेज है ना राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस प्लेज.
जी सर जी सर.
हाँ सर. हिंदी में भी और उसके बाद इंग्लिश में.
जी सर हमने इंग्लिश में किया सर. हम दोबारा करेंगे.
हमने इंग्लिश में सर ले लिया. तो किया कोई बात तो किया सर. हम दोबारा
करेंगे कोई बात नहीं.
चलो हिंदी में स्टार्ट करते हैं.
ठीक है सर.
जी सर. मैं सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेता हूँ.
मैं सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेता हूँ
कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करूंगा
स्वयं को
समर्पित करूंगा
और अपने वासियों के बीच
और
और
अपने
अपने
देशवासियों के
देशवासियों के बीच
ये संदेश फैलाने का भी भरसक प्रयत्न करूंगा।
ये संदेश फैलाने
का
पर
भी
प्रयास करूंगी।
करूंगा।
मैं ये शपथ अपने देश की एकता,
मैं ये
शपथ
अपने देश की एकता
एकता
की भावना से ले रहा हूँ,
की भावना
से ले रहा हूँ
जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की
जिससे
सरदार वल्लभ भाई
पटेल की
दूरदर्शिता एवं कार्य द्वारा
एवं कार्य द्वारा
संभव बनाया जा सका।
संभव बनाया जा
जा सका।
मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा,
मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा
सुनिश्चित करने
करने के लिए
अपना योगदान
अपना योगदान
करने का भी सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करता हूँ।
सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करता हूँ।
अच्छा, अब इसी को हम इंग्लिश में, चलो आपने किया, लेकिन एक बार
नहीं सर, करेंगे आप बोलिए सर एक बार फिर।
I solemnly pledge
I solemnly pledge
that I dedicate myself
that I dedicate
myself
to preserve the dignity,
to preserve
the unity,
security and integrity of the nation,
and security of the nation,
and always strive hard
and also strive hard
to spread this message
to spread this message
to my fellow countrymen.
among my fellow countrymen.
I take this pledge
I take this
pledge
in the
in the spirit of unification
in the spirit of unification
of my country,
of my country,
which was made possible
which was made possible
by the vision and the actions of
by the vision and
action of
Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel.
Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel.
I also solemnly resolve
I also solemnly resolve
to make my own contribution
to make my own contribution
to ensure internal security
ensure
security
of my own country.
of my own country.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind,
Jai
Jai Bharat.
Thank you all for the participation in the pledge.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Welcome everybody. So we hope we will meet those who are supposed to talk to do the according to our own schedule. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to see everyone.
Sir, some students are also present.
Have a great day.
Come on.